Everyone wants to save money. But in 2025, saving money is harder than ever. Prices keep rising. Inflation eats into your income. And life feels more expensive every single day. The truth is, most people struggle with saving not because they do not make enough, but because they do not know the right hacks to keep more of what they earn. That's why today, I'm sharing with you 10 powerful money-saving hacks that actually work in 2025. These are not the usual boring tips like stop drinking coffee or never eat out. These are modern, practical strategies that fit your lifestyle and still save you thousands. The first money-saving hack is automation. Most people fail at saving because they rely on willpower. They tell themselves they will save what is left at the end of the month. But usually, nothing is left. The solution is simple. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account right after payday. That way you pay yourself first. You save before you spend. And because it is automatic, you do not even notice the money is gone. This one hack alone can transform your finances. The second hack is switching to high-yield savings accounts. In 2025, many digital banks are offering interest rates far higher than traditional banks. Keeping your emergency fund or savings in a regular bank means you are leaving free money on the table. By moving your cash to a high-yield account, you let your money work for you. Even a few extra percentage points in interest can add up to hundreds of dollars over a year without you lifting a finger. The third hack is mastering the art of cashback and rewards. But here's the catch. Most people misuse credit cards and end up in debt. That's not what we want. The smart way is to use cashback apps, debit cards with rewards, or credit cards that give you points but only if you pay them off in full every month. If you are buying groceries, gas, or essentials anyway, why not get money back for it? Over a year, cashback can easily save you hundreds of dollars on purchases you were already making. The fourth hack is subscription detox. We live in a world where everything is subscription-based. Streaming platforms, gym memberships, apps, software, even coffee subscriptions. But here's the truth, most of us are paying for services we don't use enough. Go through your bank statements and identify every subscription. Cancel the ones you barely use. Downgrade to cheaper plans. And for entertainment, try rotating subscriptions. Keep Netflix for 3 months, then switch to Disney+, then to another. This way, you enjoy all the content without paying for everything at once. The fifth hack is buying smarter, not cheaper. Most people waste money trying to save pennies. They buy the cheapest product, but it breaks quickly and they have to replace it. Smart savers focus on value, not just price. They compare cost per use. For example, a $100 pair of shoes that lasts 3 years is cheaper than a $30 pair that lasts 3 months. Investing in quality saves you money in the long run. The sixth hack is embracing the power of meal planning. Eating out constantly drains your wallet. Food delivery apps in 2025 are more expensive than ever with fees, tips, and markups. Instead, plan your meals weekly. Buy groceries in bulk. Cook at home. Not only will you save money, but you will also eat healthier. And here's a bonus trick. Try batch cooking and freezing meals. That way, when you are tired, you will not feel tempted to order takeout. The seventh hack is energy efficiency. Utility bills are another hidden money drain. But in 2025, smart homes and energy-saving gadgets make it easier to cut costs. Switch to LED bulbs. Use smart thermostats to control heating and cooling. Unplug devices when not in use. Small changes like this can slash your energy bill by 20 to 30% over the year. The eighth hack is learning the 30-day rule. Impulse spending is one of the biggest killers of savings. You see something online, you click buy, and later regret it. The 30-day rule fixes this. Whenever you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days. If after 30 days you still want it and can afford it, buy it. But most of the time, the desire fades and you have saved yourself money and clutter. The ninth hack is using technology to your advantage. There are so many apps now that track your spending, round up your purchases to save extra, or negotiate bills on your behalf. Some apps automatically cancel unused subscriptions. Others find you better deals on insurance, internet, or utilities. Instead of relying on memory, let technology do the work. In 2025, smart financial apps are like having a personal money coach in your pocket. The 10th hack is focusing on experiences instead of things. Most people waste money chasing material items that do not bring long-term happiness. Psychology shows that experiences create more lasting joy than possessions. Instead of buying the latest gadget every year, spend on travel, learning, or memories with loved ones. Not only does this save money by cutting unnecessary spending, but it also makes your life richer in ways money can't measure. Now here's the important part. Saving money is not about depriving yourself. It's not about living a boring life where you deny yourself every pleasure. It's about being intentional. It's about cutting waste and spending on things that truly matter to you. When you combine these hacks, you do not feel restricted. You feel empowered. Because you are in control of your money instead of letting money control you. Let's quickly recap. Automate your savings. Use high-yield accounts. Leverage cash back wisely. Cancel unused subscriptions. Buy for value, not just price. Plan meals instead of overspending on takeout. Cut energy costs with efficiency. Apply the 30-day rule to avoid impulse buys. Use apps to manage and optimize your money. And prioritize experiences over stuff. If you apply just 2 or 3 of these, you will already notice a difference. But if you apply all 10, your financial life in 2025 will look completely different. You will have more money left at the end of every month. You will feel less stressed. And you will finally start building real savings that grow over time. The truth is, money doesn't slip away in big disasters. It slips away in small invisible leaks, subscriptions, impulse purchases, bad habits. But once you plug those leaks, you take control. And in 2025, when the cost of living keeps rising, control over your money is priceless. So ask yourself right now, which one of these hacks are you going to start with today? Because the sooner you begin, the sooner you will see results. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more smart money tips and financial strategies. And drop a comment below telling me your favorite money-saving hack. I'd love to hear how you're saving money in 2025.